You wanna sound like this? I got you. You done put me through hell. I can't even say myself, and I can't even tell that you needed my help. Chopper on my side, and that bitch well on my belt. I was dressed and I'm so tired, like you just wish me well. She can't tell, lost her well. Speak of the devil, you won't hurt me. You had hurt me, Lord have mercy. Crying shit, you say you tired of shit, and I swear I'm tired of shit. Ain't lying to shit, I got tired of trying this shit. Yeah, I cannot play with my switch, can't play with my bitch. If she wanna be rich, I can go yard. I gotta go hard, I feel like Mozart, I got a car. You can't tell me lies, I seen that shit on the sky, and I had cried, and I had tried. Yeah, we not the same, I'm not that guy, and I can't quit. I fell in love with a bitch, got choppers in them drumsticks. I just wanna be rich, spend wide with a trick. And I thought you was my wish, my love, I thought you was my bitch. I dove, yeah, he be flying and shit. If you talking that shit, that bitch I can't sell my soul, I can't complete my goals. Why do these hoes you chose? Smoking on dick in a row.
Alright, you too, so you know you heard the song and shit. And if y'all fuck with it, link is in the description for the SoundCloud and shit. I'm gonna drop it on like all plats soon or whatever. But you say you sound like Devstacks, Jace, you know, them niggas and shit. This is like a Regalia preset. It's really my main preset too. This how it sound. Adlibs like this, like this, like this. My demon preset made my demon voice stand out better. Ghost. You know what I'm saying? If you want to try to do ghost reverb. And yeah, that's really it. This how it sound with no preset versus the preset.
You done put me through hell. I can't even say myself, and I can't even tell that you needed my help. Chopper on my side, and that bitch well on my belt. Oh,
you know, you can definitely tell the difference between the two and shit. But that's really all for this video and shit.
Wish me well. She can't tell, lost her well. Speak of the devil, you won't hurt me.
You know. Yeah, this preset is one of my best, so like, you know what I'm saying, just look in the description for the adlibs and the preset, and you know what I'm saying, if y'all want some other shit, let me know, and I'll talk with y'all later.